Hi guys, welcome back to UiPath tutorial. In this video, we will walk through the different components of UiPath Studio. So UiPath is having different components associated with. So one is ribbon, you can see at the top, and the activities panel, and the project panel, output panel, and properties panel. So in this video, I will go through the options available in the ribbon component. So in the ribbon component, there are three main options are available: home, design, and debug. I would say like menus. If you click on home, it will take you to the home screen or landing screen. And the design, so we can see all the options are available related to the design, the process. So we can create a new file by selecting the new, and we can select a sequence or any flowchart or a state machine, etc. And also we have a save, we can save an individual file or whole project, and we can export as template in which we can use it in some other project as a dependencies. And also we can have a debug option. In the debug, we can run a single file, or we can debug the application or activities, or we can run the whole uh, sequence or activities. In the manage packages option, uh, we can include any dependencies like Excel activities or PDF activities into our project. So in the recording option, we could see there are multiple recording techniques are available: basic, desktop, etc. So I'm not going through in detail of these techniques as of now. In the coming videos, we'll start with a lab on each of these recording techniques. But for basic information, the desktop recording technique is suitable for recording the desktop application, and web is for web recording the web application, and also image is for processing the images, and also native Citrix suitable for desktops and apps virtualized through the Citrix technology or surface automation, and also there is a computer vision. So next come to screen scraping, so which help us to extract the data from the U element or a document or any images. So in the data scraping is like for scraping the data from the any web browser in the format of data table like Excel or any particular table format. So user event helps us to capture the user events like mouse event, keyboard event, etc. UI Explorer is for UI automation. We will come to this in the coming videos. Remove unused variables helps us to remove the unused variables from the application. Analyze file helps us to analyze our project or validate our file which is developed by some other developer against the set of baseline or standards. So export to Excel help us to export the data Excel, and publish is for publishing the packages for the deployment. So these all are about the design process. And if we come to debug option, again we could see the debug menu, and we can run the file or debug the project or run the application itself. And here we can step into, step over, or step out. We can move the control up and down over here. And in the breakpoint, we could set up breakpoints for the activities. If we consider here, I set up a breakpoint on message box, and also when you run the application, it hits to the breakpoint, and you could analyze the activity or values. And slow step, which makes slow uh, or increase the speed of debugging. So you can click on, just click on slow step. So this will reduce the speed of debugging from 1x to 4x. And this is something execution trial. And also there is a highlight element, which is one of the one of the important concept of the debug. So which will highlight the scope of particular activity. I would like to set up a scope or highlight the particular activity. When you run the project or application, so it will highlight the specific activity. Yeah, now it's highlighting the specific activity, and you can see all the properties of the message box over here. And I'll just stop the process now. And also there is a log activities. You could see all the logs and continue an exception. We can make a condition when the exception caught on picture in picture option, and also open logs from where we can open the log files. And also we could see the logs from the output window as well. So these are all about the ribbon component of the UI path. In the coming videos, we'll go through other components like project panel and output and properties. Thank you for watching this video.